Hello guys. Hope you are all will be good. My today's video is really useful for your health because today I am going to explain 10 amazing benefits of grapefruit. So keep watching this video till end. First of all, it's my humble request for my new viewers. Please subscribe my channel to see more video. So viewers, let's start our video from first benefit of grapefruit. Suppress appetite. It is said that smell of the grapefruit reduces the feeling of hunger, which is the reason why people often include grapefruits in their weight loss programs. The high amounts of fiber in these fruits can also satisfy hunger and help people avoid overeating. Second benefit of grapefruit: treat malaria. The juice or grapefruit itself contains valuable and natural quinine, which is advantageous for the treatment of malaria. Quinine has a long history of treating malaria. It is not an easy component to find in many foods, so grapefruits are a beneficial and rare example. Third benefit of grapefruit: cure fever. The pulp or the juice of grapefruit helps patients recover quickly from fever, and it reduces the burning sensation that occurs when the body reaches a high temperature. Grapefruit juice, when combined with water, can quench thirst very quickly and can keep you hydrated for longer. Fourth benefit of grapefruit: reduce fatigue. Grapefruits are beneficial in the treatment of fatigues. They can help you dispel your tiredness caused by routine or boring work. Drinking grapefruit juice can be a refreshing and delicious way to quickly boost your energy levels. It improves energy metabolism in the body. This results in higher endurance and boosted energy, increased weight loss, and a reduction in the chances of developing diabetes. Fifth benefit of grapefruit: treat indigestion. Grapefruit is useful for indigestion. It is very light as compared to other foods and thus acts immediately on indigestion by easing the heat and irritation caused in the stomach. Sixth benefit of grapefruit: promote sleep. A glass of grapefruit juice, if consumed before going to bed, can promote healthy sleep and alleviate the irritating symptoms and repercussions of insomnia. This is due to the tryptophan in grapefruit, which enable us to nod off peacefully. Seventh benefit of grapefruit: control diabetes. Diabetics can eat grapefruits as they can. Intake of grapefruits can help them regulate the flow of sugar in their body, effectively handling the disease. Recent studies have shown this beneficial relationship between diabetes and grapefruits. Eighth benefit of grapefruit: reduce acidity. Fresh grapefruit juice creates an alkaline condition in the intestines for proper digestion. The citric acid of the fruit is contained in the human body and thus it increases the efficiency of the alkalinity reaction after digestion. Ninth benefit of grapefruit: eliminate constipation. A glass full of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice in the morning is a great remedy to control constipation. The juice stimulates the colon and other parts of the body relating to the digestive system, so constipation eliminated. 10th benefit of grapefruit: remove flatulence. 10 to 20 drops of grapefruit juice, taken before all 3 meals of the day, it will be helpful to remove flatulence. So guys, this was my today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please like my video, share with friends and subscribe my channel to see more videos. If you have any question and query about this video, you can write in comments or mail me at my email address. I must reply at the earliest. Thanks again. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.